Good morning. Today we will see some numericals on limit, fit and tolerance. So the first example is a shaft of 25 mm basic size is given as 25 plus or minus 0.02 mm and it is asked to find out the tolerance. So the shaft size it is given is 25 plus or minus 0.02 mm means 25 it is a basic size and the two limits are given. So upper limit it is plus 0.02 and the lower limit it is minus 0.02 mm. So first of all find out maximum permissible size of the shaft, or you can say it is the upper limit of the shaft, that will be equal to 25 plus upper limit, that is 25 plus 0.02 mm, that will be equal to 25.02 mm. Now find out minimum permissible size, that is lower limit. So it will be equal to 25 minus lower limit means 25 minus 0.02 mm, that will be equal to 24.98 mm. Now find out the tolerance. So the tolerance that will be equal to the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. So the tolerance that will be upper limit, that will be 25.02 minus lower limit it is 24.98. So that will be equal to 0.04 mm, or you can also calculate like that. So upper limit it is plus 0.02 minus lower limit, that will be equal to minus into bracket minus 0.02 mm. So that will be equal to the same, that is 0.04 mm, and it is calculated in meters, that will be equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 meters. So next problem is find the values of allowance and tolerances for hole and shaft assembly for the following dimensions of mating parts. So the hole dimension it is given 25 plus 0.05 and plus 0.00, and so these are the upper and lower limits. For the hole it is given, and for the shaft 25 minus 0.02 and minus 0.05 it is given. So in that case for hole as well as shaft 25 it is a basic size and upper limit and lower limit for the hole as well as shaft it is given, and we have to find out the allowance and the tolerance for the hole and the shaft assembly. So first of all we will find out the tolerance for the hole. So hole size it is given 25 plus 0.05 and plus 0.00. So the high limit will be 25 plus 0.05 means it is a 25.05, and lower limit of the hole is 25 plus 0.00 means it is 25. So the first, that is tolerance for the hole, that is high limit minus low limit, it is 25.05 minus 25 equal to 0.05 mm. Now find out the tolerance for the shaft. So high limit that will be equal to 25 minus 0.02, that will be the upper or high limit of the shaft. So that will be equal to 24.98 mm, and find out now lower limit of the shaft, that is 25 minus 0.05, that will be equal to 24.95 mm. Now find out the tolerance for the shaft. So it is upper limit or higher limit of the shaft minus lower limit. So 24.98 minus 24.95, that will be equal to 0.03 mm. So that is the tolerance for the shaft. Now find out the allowance. So allowance it is an intentional difference between the lower limit of the hole and the higher limit of the shaft, that is called the allowance. So allowance that will be equal to lower limit of the hole minus higher limit of the shaft. So the lower limit of the hole, so you can see in a first point the lower limit of the hole it is 25, and higher limit of the shaft you can see in a second point, that is higher limit it is 24.98, that we have already calculated. So 25 minus 24.98, that will be equal to 0.02 mm, that will be the allowance. Now the next problem, A 50 mm diameter shaft is made to rotate in a bush. The tolerances for both shaft and bush are 0.050 mm. So tolerance for the shaft as well as the hole or the bush, it is given as 0.05 mm. Determine the dimension of the shaft and the bush to give the maximum clearance of 0.075 mm. So there is a clearance between the bush and the shaft, and that clearance, it is a maximum clearance, is 0.075 mm. It is given with the hole basis system. So hole basis system it is given. So hole basis system means when a hole, it is a constant member and the different fits are obtained by varying the size of the shaft. That is called a hole basis system. Now first find out. So in the hole basis system, because of hole, it is a constant member. So the lower deviation of hole, that will be 0. So lower deviation of hole, that will be 0 means the lower limit of the hole, it is 50 mm. Low limit of the hole means that is minimum size of the hole, that will be the 50 mm. So you can see in a diagram. So lower limit of the hole, so the hole and the shaft, that is shown in a diagram, and the lower limit of the hole, because lower deviation of the hole is 0 means it is a basic size. So that is indicated by the dotted line, that is BS, that is indicated by BS, that is a basic size. So this is a basic size. Now find out the high limit of the hole. So high limit of the hole, that you can find out, the formula is low limit plus tolerance, that you will get the higher limit of the hole. So the lower limit, it is a 50, that is given, plus the tolerance, it is also given for the hole, 0.05. So it will be the 50.050 mm. So you can see in a diagram how it is calculated. Now higher limit of the shaft. So the maximum clearance, that is given 0.075 mm, it is given and it is indicated in a diagram. So maximum difference means it is a allowance, that is a difference between lower limit of the hole and the maximum limit of the, or the upper limit of the shaft. So high limit of the shaft, that will be equal to low limit of the hole minus allowance. So 50 minus 0.075 means 49.025 mm. That will be the higher limit of the shaft. Now you can find out the lower limit of the shaft. So lower limit of the shaft, that will be equal to higher limit minus tolerance. So this you can calculate by drawing this diagram. So high limit is 49.025 minus our tolerance, it is given in a problem, it is 0.050, that will be equal to 48.975 mm. Now next example. So for each of the following hole and shaft assembly, find the shaft tolerance, hole tolerance, and state whether the type of fit is clearance fit, transition fit, or interference fit. So the size of the, so three cases that are given. So case number 1, that is hole and shaft size, it is given. So it is basic size is 50 and the upper and lower limits for the hole and the shaft is given. Then second case, hole size and the shaft size, it is given. Basic size is 30 and the different limits or the upper or lower limits for the hole and the shaft is given. And case 3, it is given. It is for the 25 mm basic size of hole and shaft, the limits are given. We have to find out the type of fit for 3 different cases. So take the first case, that is size of the hole and shaft, it is a basic size, it is given 50 and the upper and lower limits are given. So the solution. So A, that is hole. So the first find out the high limit of the hole and the low limit of the hole. So high limit of the hole, that will be equal to 50 plus 0.25 and low limit of the hole, that is 50 minus or 50 plus 0.00. So you can see here. So 50 plus so 50.025 mm and lower limit of the hole, that is 50.00 mm. Now you can calculate the hole tolerance. So hole tolerance, that will be the higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the hole, that will be equal to 0.025 mm, that you can calculate. Now for the shaft, so shaft size it is given. So see the case number 1, 50 plus 0.05 and lower limit is plus 0.005. So higher limit of the shaft, that will be equal to 50 plus 0.5 and lower limit of the shaft it is 50 plus 0.005. Now you can find out the shaft tolerance. So it is a higher limit of the shaft minus lower limit of the shaft. You will get shaft tolerance equal to 0.045 mm. Now find out the type of fit by using that all dimensions of the shaft and the hole. Now if we choose higher limit of the hole with higher limit of the shaft, then allowance that will be equal to 50.025, that is higher limit of the hole minus high limit of the shaft, that is 50.05, that will be equal to minus 0.025. So in that case it is a interference speed. But if we choose high limit of the hole and low limit of the shaft, then allowance will be equal to high limit of the hole, that will be equal to 50.025 minus 50.005 equal to 0.020 mm. That means it is a clearance speed. Similarly, if we choose low limit of the hole and either high limit or low limit of the shaft, it is clear that there will be the interference. So we can conclude that the type of fit is transition fit. Now second case, so second case, that is hole and shaft of basic size 30 mm and the different limits are given. So higher limit of the hole, that will be equal to 30.05 and lower limit, that will be equal to 30. So you can see in a second case. And for the now find out the tolerance for the hole, that will be equal to a higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the hole, that you will get 0.05 mm. Similarly, calculate the higher limit for the shaft as well as lower limit of the shaft and find out the tolerance. For second case, that is higher limit 30 minus 0.02, it is 29.98 mm and lower limit will be 30 minus 0.05, it is 29.95 mm. So in this case, second example, so the tolerances for the shaft, that is given in an example 30 minus 0.02 and below that it is plus 0.05. Instead of plus 0.05, take it minus 0.05. So it is a printing mistake. So we will get 30 minus 0.05, that is 29.95. So tolerance will be equal to 0.03 mm. If we select high limit of the hole and high limit of the shaft, then allowance will be 30 minus 30.05 minus 29.98, that will be equal to 0.07 mm. If we select low limit of the hole and high limit of the shaft, then allowance will be 0.02 mm. Means it is a positive. Clearance is positive, means allowance is positive. Thus, we conclude that the type of fit is clearance fit. Third case, higher limit. So you can see the third case, upper limit is for the hole is 0.04 and lower limit is 0.00. So you can see higher limit 25.04 and lower limit 25.00. Tolerance will be difference between higher limit and lower limit, that will be equal to 0.04 mm. Similarly, for the shaft, it is given upper limit is 0.06 and lower limit is 0 plus 0.04. So you can see here 25.06 mm and lower limit is 25.04 mm, and the difference between that will be the tolerance, that is 0.02 mm. If we select higher limit of the shaft and lower limit of the hole, then allowance will be minus 0.06 mm. So it is clear that for any combination of hole and shaft, the allowance will be negative. So we can conclude that the type of fit for the third case, it is interference fit. Next example, in a limit system, the following limits are specified to give the clearance fit between a shaft and the hole. Find the basic size, the limits or the size of the shaft and the hole, it is given. So 50, it is a basic size, and the upper and lower limit for the shaft as well as hole is given, and you have to ask to find out basic size, shaft and hole clearance, maximum clearance and minimum clearance. Now basic size, it is same for the hole and the shaft, that is 50, that is given. Now find out the shaft tolerance. So first find out higher limit of the shaft and the minus lower limit of the shaft. It is very simple. So from that size you can find out very easily shaft tolerance, that will be equal to 0.014 mm. Now find out hole tolerance, that is higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the hole. So you can see the size of the hole that is given. So it is 50.030 minus 50, that is equal to 0.030 mm. Now find out maximum clearance. So maximum clearance, that will be equal to higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the shaft. So we can calculate this. So that will be equal to 0.05 mm. Then minimum clearance, that we have to find out. So minimum clearance means it is a lower limit of the hole minus higher limit of the shaft, that is allowance. So lower limit of the hole, that we have already calculated, 50, and higher limit of the shaft, it is 50 minus 0.006, that will be equal to plus 0.006 mm. The next example, in a hole and shaft assembly of 30 mm nominal size means it is a basic size. The tolerances for hole and shaft, it is given, and it is asked to find out maximum and minimum clearance, then allowance, hole and shaft tolerance, mml, that is maximum metal limit for the shaft as well as hole, and the type of fit. So we can easily calculate. So first find out maximum clearance. Maximum clearance means it is higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the shaft. So higher limit of the hole, that you can see 30 plus 0.02, that will be the higher limit of the hole, and lower limit of the shaft, that will be 30 minus 0.070. See the shaft size. So it is 30 minus 0.07, that is lower limit of the shaft. So maximum clearance will be 0.09 mm. Likewise find out minimum clearance, that is lower limit of the hole and higher limit of the shaft. So lower limit of the hole, that will be equal to lower limit. So 30, lower limit of the hole, that is 30 minus 0.00 means it is 30, minus higher limit of the shaft, that is 30 minus 0.040. So it is minimum clearance will be 0.04 mm. Now calculate the allowance. Allowance means it is a lower limit of the hole and the difference between lower limit of the hole and the higher limit of the shaft. So it is 0.04. Now find out hole tolerance. So hole tolerance, that will be equal to higher limit of the hole and the lower limit of the hole minus lower limit of the hole. So that will be equal to 0.02 mm. Shaft tolerance will be higher limit of the shaft and lower limit of the shaft, that is 0.03 mm. Now the mml, that is maximum metal limit for the shaft. So maximum metal limit for the shaft, that will be equal to higher limit of the shaft. So that value that we have already calculated above. So it will be 29.96 mm. And mml for the hole, that is maximum metal limit for the hole, that will be equal to lower limit of the hole. So lower limit of the hole, that we have already calculated, that will be equal to 25 mm. Now see the type of fit. So allowance, see the allowance. So allowance will be 0.04, means it is a positive, means it gives a clearance fit. Next example, a hole and the mating shaft have a nominal assembly size of 50 mm. So basic size is given 50 mm. The assembly is to have maximum clearance of 0.15 mm. Maximum clearance it is given 0.15, and minimum clearance it is also given, that is 0.05 mm. The hole tolerance is 1.5 times the shaft tolerance. The tolerance it is not directly given. Determine the limits of the both hole and the shaft. So this is a diagram. So the hole tolerance, then the minimum clearance. See the minimum clearance and maximum clearance. So maximum clearance, that is the maximum limit of the hole, and the minimum limit of the shaft, that is the maximum clearance. And minimum clearance will be the lower limit of the hole and the upper limit of the shaft, that is minimum clearance. So that value it is also given. Okay. So in hole basis system, lower deviation of hole is 0, that we know. That is, the lower limit of the hole is same as basic size. So lower limit will be equal to the basic size. So basic size it is given 50 mm. So the lower limit of the hole, that will be equal to 50 mm. Now the maximum clearance. So maximum clearance, that will be equal to hole tolerance plus minimum clearance plus shaft tolerance. That will be the maximum clearance. So you can see in a diagram, maximum clearance. See here, maximum clearance, that will be equal to hole tolerance, you can see on a right hand side, plus minimum clearance and the shaft tolerance. You will get the maximum clearance. So therefore maximum clearance it is given, that is 0.15. Then hole tolerance it is given 1.5 times shaft tolerance, plus minimum clearance it is given 0.05 plus shaft tolerance. So by calculation you will get the shaft tolerance, that will be equal to 0.04 mm. Now you can calculate the hole tolerance, that is 1.5 times the shaft clearance, that will be equal to 0.06 mm. Now you can find out the lower limit of the hole, that is 40 mm, that is basic size. High limit of the hole, because the hole tolerance it is 0.06, means 40 plus 0.06, it is 40.06 mm. So those hole sizes are 40 and 40.06. Now we know that the minimum clearance equal to lower limit of the hole minus higher limit of the shaft. So you can see here. Therefore, put the values in that. So you will get higher limit of the shaft, that will be equal to 40 minus 0.05, that is 39.95 mm, and lower limit of the shaft, that will be equal to higher limit minus tolerance, equal to 39.91 mm. So the shaft limits are 39.95 and 39.91 mm. Now the shaft basis system. So this was the hole basis system, that is the first case. Second case, it is asked if it is a shaft basis system. Now for shaft basis system, upper deviation of shaft is 0. So higher limit of the shaft is same as basic size, that is 40 mm. So 40 mm size it is given. Shaft size. So lower limit, calculate the lower limit, higher limit minus tolerance. So that will be equal to 39.95 mm, and maximum clearance, that will be the higher limit of the hole minus lower limit of the shaft. You will get the higher limit of the hole, that will be equal to 40.1 mm, and lower limit of the hole, that is higher limit minus tolerance, you will get 40.04 mm. Now the next problem, a 20 mm diameter shaft and bearing are to be assembled with clearance fit. The tolerance and the allowances are given. The allowance it is given 0.002 mm, and the tolerance on hole, that is 0.005 mm it is given, and tolerance of the shaft equal to 0.003 mm it is given. Find the limits of size for the hole and the shaft if it is a hole basis system is used. Then second case, the shaft basis system is used, and the tolerances are disposed of unilaterally. So the solution, first case, that is hole basis system. So for hole size, higher limit of the hole 20.005 mm, lower limit of the hole 20. Now allowance given, it is 0.002 mm. So by this data you can calculate the higher limit of the shaft, that will be equal to lower limit of the hole minus allowance, you will get 19.998 mm, and the lower limit of the shaft you will get 19.995 mm. For shaft basis system, higher limit will be 20 and lower limit will be 20 minus 0.003, that is that tolerance it is given. So it is 19.997 mm. So allowance will be 0.002, that is given. So low limit of the hole, that is high limit of size plus allowance, that will be equal to 20.002 mm, and high limit of hole is 20.002 plus 0.005, that is 20.007 mm. So you can all values that you can calculate by drawing this type of diagram, that is a for hole basis system and shaft basis system. So you can see here, so zero line, that is along the upper limit of the shaft, so that is a hole basis, that is a shaft basis system, and on a right hand side you can see there is a hole basis system. So the zero line, it is at the bottom side of the hole tolerance, that is a lower limit of the hole, that will be equal to 0. So it is a hole basis system. So okay, you can easily calculate the size of the hole as well as the shaft. Now if the tolerance, if it is given in terms of tolerance grade, then you have how you can calculate that tolerance, that you can see in this problem. So the limits and the fits for the pair of diameter 6, H7 and G6. So fit it is given. In this case 6, it is a basic size for the hole as well as shaft. So the hole, it is a H type and shaft, it is a G type. So H7 means it is a hole having tolerance grade of IT7, and the shaft G6 means it is a G type of shaft having the tolerance grade of IT6. Now first of all, see the basic size. So basic size, it is a 6, it is given. So the size, it is given 6H7G6. So the first digit 6, it is a basic size. Now you have to see whether that basic size 6, it is lies in between the diametral steps. So you can see here. So these are the diametral steps, so that you can find out the geometric mean diameter, that is capital D. So these steps are 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 18, like that. All the steps are given, and whether you have to see whether that basic size it is lies. So the size 6 mm lies in a diametral steps of 3 to 6. So here it is given 1 to 3, 3 to 6 and 6 to 10. So it is 3 to 6. So that steps 3 to 6 means it is over the 3 and up to the 6. Now the next step you can see, that is a 6 to 10. So 6 to 10 means 6 means it is a over 6 and up to 10. So that diametral, so that basic size 6 mm, it lies between 3 to 6, not 6 to 10. So 3 to 6. So calculate the capital D, that is under root 3 into 6. So you will get 4.24 mm. That will be the geometric mean diameter. Now the value of fundamental tolerance unit is given by I equal to 0.45 cube root of D plus 0.001 D. This formula it is given. So after calculation, putting the value of geometric mean D, you will get I equal to 0.7327 microns. It is, you will get in microns. Now you can see. Now limits of tolerance for hole H7. So the standard tolerance is for hole is IT7 means 16i. IT7 you can see here IT7, and the value of tolerance you can see in a next column, that is 16i. IT7, the value of tolerance for IT7 it is 16i. So 16i means 16 into value of I that we have already calculated, it is 0.7327. So means it is a 11.72, that is 12 micrometer. It is a microns. And the fundamental deviation for H hole is 0. So limits of tolerance now find out for G6 shaft. So G6 means it is a tolerance it is given for the shaft, it is IT6. So value of IT6 you can see the 10i. So it is 10i. So 10 into I, value of I is 0.7327, that is equal to 8 microns. And the fundamental deviation for G shaft it is given, that is minus 2.5 d raised to 0.34. So that value, that formula that is given in a problem, so that is that value, it is minus 4 microns. Now draw the diagram for that, so that you can easily calculate or easily find out the size of the hole as well as shaft. So it is a hole basis system. So the lower deviation for the, or the lower limit of the shaft, that will be 0, and that value it is 6, and 12 microns, that will be the 12 microns means in terms of mm it is 0.012, that will be in mm. So 1 micron equal to 0.001 mm. So upper limit of the hole that you can calculate, lower limit plus tolerance, that is 0.012. So it is 6.012. You can see the both the limits for the hole that is shown. Now you can see this for the shaft. So the fundamental deviation for G shaft, it is calculated as, at see at the bottom, it is minus 4 microns. So it is below the basic size or the zero line, it is, and below that you can find out the size of the upper limit of the shaft and the lower limit of the shaft. So you can see the upper limit and the lower limit, how it is calculated. Now you can find the maximum clearance. So maximum clearance equal to maximum size of the hole minus minimum size of the shaft. So that will be equal to 24 microns, and maximum minimum clearance, that is calculated as 4 microns. So both the values that are positive means this type of fit, it is a clearance fit. So this is regarding the numericals on limits, fits and tolerances. Thank you.